Hello guys, this is task 18 and the last task for the land cover training. And uh, yung task natin nito is mag-draw all the nature features. Pay attention to the task range. Yan. So, mag-draw tayo at yung category natin, long driveway, pavement, forest, grass, verland, and water. Select tayo kung anong unahin nyo dyan. Pero eto, sa akin, eto yung unahin ko. Una ako sa forest. Eto, kahit kalbo to, forest pa rin yan. And then, Y. And forest yan lahat. Yan. So, Y lang para band or boundary creeper. Eto, ang kalatang water naman to. So, mag-water tayo. S lang tool. S tool. Ayan. Pwede natin fill in yan. Eto, bare land to. Yung nakikita nyo dito. Bare land. Saka eto rin, bare land din to. And the rest is grass na. So, E-tool. Gamit ka lang. Ito. Fill tool. Yan. Okay guys. Yan na yung last task for the land cover training. So, tandaan na maigi yung mga task natin. And after nyan, makaka-work na kayo for latest na project for the land cover. Thank you. This is task 18 and the last land cover training. Thank you.